Hey people, so we have exciting news to share.
We got a new rabbit.
Yes, so Ayush, can you tell us
Oh.
something about how we went and got him yesterday and tell us the
Yesterday,
background story?
We found on WhatsApp that that it was a foster from somebody. So we decided to adopt it. But uh, when we met the person, he told that it escaped from a butcher shop.
Yeah.
So then, he bought the rabbit and kept it in his house. Then when we came, we got the rabbit.
Very true. And what have you named this little guy?
Happy
And is it a girl or a boy?
boy.
Okay, so this is so cute, yeah. If you were to take a look at him, he's just very adorable. He loves cuddles, Ayush. Yeah, stroke him. He likes to be stroked. He purrs when you are carrying him. Rabbits also have their own purr, so this is adorable. And I'm just so happy to have got this little guy. Yesterday, remember Ayush, we went in the car finding the location, all just for this little guy. And it's been,
Worth it.
yes, true. So thank you, people. Thanks for watching,
And please subscribe.
and please subscribe.